Good afternoon. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cuff bracelet. This one using the cobra knot style. It doesn't have any buckle or clasp. It doesn't need them. It's just fits on your wrist. Just press it together, and that's it. It's on. Won't come off. It's quite, unless you catch it, then you'd have to pull it. It probably would, but it's quite a sturdy fit. So it's yeah, there you can go. You can see it. It's a good fit. So to make this bracelet, you need your tape measure, obviously. A couple of things: a lighter and this, just for when you heat up or melt the ends. You just need this to press down on it. You don't be using your fingers, because it's when the ends are melted, it's like a hot wax, so you just get burnt. So always use a tool of some description. This fid, I may need it at the end, I might not, we'll see. So, and a pair of scissors. So what we've got is a piece of memory wire. Now my wrist measures 19 centimeters. Your memory wire is going to be folded in half. So mine is cut to 42 centimeters, which is bigger than my wrist. So you cut it in, you fold it in half, it's 21. That's 2 centimeters bigger than my wrist, but it needs to be, because once you add the paracord, then it gets smaller. Well, you know what I mean. It's not going to go around your wrist. The paracord's going to push it outwards, so you lose like 2 centimeters. So it's a little bit bigger than my, oh no, hang on a minute, 42. Yeah, just let me check that. Yeah, 42 centimeters. So it comes out at 21 when it's folded in half. But starting off, you need about 9. What we got here? 9 feet of paracord with its inners still in it, and then you've got another piece of paracord cut to the same length as the wire with the inners taken out of it, because you need to thread it through this piece. So we'll start off by doing that. It catches sometimes, and it's off now, so you push it all the way through. Then what you need to do with this piece, which is going to be the piece you use for knotting it, using the cobra knot, but you need to join these two ends up onto this paracord you've got threaded onto your wire. So you just want to snip off, pull the end out. Let me put this back on the table, or it's going to drop on the floor. Just need to pull your end out a little bit, and just cut these inner strands off. Just pull it out a bit. And then when you push this end onto your wire, you don't get any of the inner cords showing. So you want to go down a little bit, probably about 1 centimetre down this down this wire, meet up with the other cord, use your lighter and melt it. So you need to make sure it joins. Melt it on fairly well. You don't want it coming apart. So that's one end. Now take the other end, and we need to just get rid of this cord. Come on down. That's, I might have to do it again, just pull a bit more out. Put a bit more off, that's better, it's dropped down now, you can't see it. So again, shove it on the end of the wire, at the other end, till it meets the paracord, the other paracord. and those want to seal together. So again, we melt it. Hang on. Just getting rid of all the frayed edges, and then we'll try and join it up. We want a good join. Again, we don't want this coming apart, so we'll just keep going until we get the really good join that we want. Ouch, that was hot. Does nip you every now and again. So now what we want to do is find the middle of this wire. So find both ends, bring them together, then take this wire, squeeze it together, working your way up to find the middle. Squeeze it together. Don't matter about it bending. Right, so that's got it. Now, find the middle again of the full length. So the wire and everything, yep, find the middle, cut it. Now you can start to make your bracelet. So, pardon me, just got the hiccups for a minute. So you want your open ends, that's your loop at the bottom, and you're going to cable a knot from here. So you take your, doesn't matter whether you go left or right first, it depends, it's up to you. Yep. I want it on the table because once it goes on the floor it just starts pulling on you a little bit. So you take this cord, you bring it across the front. So I've got the right hand cord, bringing it across the front. Now you take your left hand cord and go over the front, underneath, behind and through. And then that gives you two loops and you can see the sort of knot you've got. Now you just tighten this up. And you want to get this bit looking quite neat and quite tight. You don't want it moving. So that's pulled tight. So that's one end. So now you do just the same, but you're starting with your opposite cord. So I'm starting with the left hand cord, take it over the front, take your right hand cord over the top, underneath, behind and through that loop. So that's your cable knot again, and you just continue with this. Again with these one or two, these first one or two, just make sure you get them right. You want your pattern to start to develop, so you can see that was the first knot, this is the second knot. So the knot, the side that your knot is on is the side that you start your loop next time. So again, over the front, take your other cord behind and through that loop and pull it together. So you just keep repeating this until you get all the way to the end. Then I'll bring you back. It doesn't take long, probably takes 5 minutes to get to the end, but you can see the cable knot pattern developing. Yeah. So you just carry on doing that all the way through, and I'll see you back shortly. Right, we're back. Oh, and we're nearly at the end. So you can see it's all been done. We've just got a couple more to do. It's very hard to get this last one or two in. We just want to leave a bit at the end because we've got to thread the paracord through. I think we can get one more loop or knot on the end here and just leave enough space. Oh, it is tricky to get this last one in or on. We want to go as far to the end as we dare get. So we're about there. So now we have to create a bit of space on this loop, so just, oh, come on, and a bit more space. We're just trying to open up this metal a little bit, just to thread the paracord through. So see, we've got quite a hole there. We should be able to do it now. So we take one through, pull it, and then slot the other one through, hopefully. Oh no, we just have to get rid of this white cord because it'll just flare up all over the place. Let's just melt this. Keep that as narrow as possible. We've just got to get it through that hole. So we've already got one cord in it, and this one should just pass through, and it does. So now we've got both cords coming through to the back. So all we have to do now is cut these two cords off and melt them to the back of this bracelet. So we don't want much overhanging. Put the lighter, melt it really well. This lighter's about out of fluid. And then press it down, and the imprint on this tool is the same as the cord. It looks more or less the same, so you can't really tell. So that's it now, that's the wire bracelet finished. So this should fit me. Moment of truth. Here we go. There you go, it's on. Takes nothing to do at all. That's it, and it's done. It's on. So no buckle, no clasp, job done. So that fits me. That is how you make the cuff bracelet. So no buckle, no clasp. That's it. I'm Neil. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.